In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how to prevent your account from getting banned, from getting blocked, how to also prevent your money from getting blocked, and what to do if cybercrime blocks your money. In my previous video, I was telling you guys what happens, how the bank account of international students have been blocked randomly without any prior information. So I'm going to tell you guys how to avoid that in this video. And if you have any questions, you could just drop them in the comment section. And hopefully this video adds some value to you. Consider liking and also subscribe for more as well. Thank you. The first thing is, the way cybercrime works is this. I mean, I've reached out to them and I've also spoken to several people whose accounts has been blocked before. And the thing is, usually someone scams some other person and then begins to transfer the money. Now, when they transfer the money, that's when you become, in trouble. And usually if someone is being scammed and they report to cybercrime, okay, this person scammed me and I sent to this other person. So cybercrime is going to follow that trail. They'll follow all the transaction that person has transacted to. And even if it's 1,000 chains, the money has gone, they will block all the accounts, right? That's what actually happens. So please be careful, okay? Do not take money from anyone, literally. If it's not like, a registered business. Otherwise, from individuals, you cannot really know. Even the people that have the money in their account do not know that this money is a money mole, okay? They do not know that. Usually, when a scammer scams some other person, if it's 10 lakh, right? That's a lot of money. They cannot withdraw that money at once. So they have to scatter the money around and send to several people. This is when you can become a victim. So please do not take money from any person, especially if it's not a government body or it's not a registered business. This is my advice. Even from individuals, they might be very innocent and they might not know the source of that money, okay? That's number one. Number two is, whenever you receive a transaction, I mean, in unavoidable cases where you have to receive online, like Google Pay or Paytm from some other person. In cases like that where you have no other choice, once you get the money in your account, try to offload it to cash immediately, okay? If it's ATM, go to the ATM and withdraw everything. I mean, you see, another issue here is the Indians, they have a limit, a very strict limit on the amount you can withdraw as a non-resident in India, which is about 15,000 naira. It differs from bank to bank. But once you get money from some other person, go withdraw all of it. If you cannot withdraw via ATM, go to the bank with your checkbook and tell them you want to withdraw that money. If that does not work out, you go around to see these POS guys in shops. They will charge you quite a lot, but it's better than losing all of it to cybercrime. That's basically all I have for you guys in today's video. If you have any other suggestion or advice, for people that have followed such cases, comment down in the comment section. So yeah, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.